hope you all are safe and doing great. So in this video, as you guys can already see what I am gonna be reviewing. So these are Nykaa Blend Pro makeup brushes, and here are the two different brushes. One is a foundation brush and another one is this eyeshadow brush. As you guys can see the packaging of this brushes, this comes with a black holder pouch, and at the back side all the details are mentioned. How to use, packed by, batch number, manufacturing, expire. As you guys can see in both the brushes all details are mentioned. This was eyeshadow brush, and now comes the second one is this foundation brush. This is also the same packaging and different brushes have different prices, as you guys can check it out. Now I'm gonna be open it out. You can see in the packet there is a zipper lock. This is a very good thing. It will not mess it out with your makeup product and different brushes. So the first one is this Nykaa Blend Pro foundation brush. As you can see, the packaging has a metallic rose gold body with a black bottom, and look at the bristles, guys. This is actually very soft and dense. This packaging looks very classy. Now the second one is this eyeshadow brush, Blend Pro eyeshadow brush. Look at the bristles, guys. So it is really very soft, dense and lightweight. It might look very heavy, but trust me guys, when you hold them now, they are very lightweight and easy to use. Now let's check out the brushes, so it works properly or not. I will begin with the first foundation brush. So I'm gonna pump out the foundation on my hand. So I guess this is too much. So now with the help of finger, I will apply dot all over my hand, so it will easy while blending. Now let's start blending with these brushes, and as you can see guys, this brush is really very good. You can see how smoothly it blend out the foundation. These bristles are so very soft to your skin. This will not hurt, and this is very soft, smooth. And if you guys have not subscribed my channel, then do subscribe and hit on the notification button. So this foundation brush cost for ₹499, and the second one is this eyeshadow brush, which cost is ₹299, and different brushes have different cost. You guys can check it out. So for this brush I will rate 5 out of 5 because this is really very good. You can see how properly it blend out the foundation. So this is very good product. So now I will test second one, which is a eyeshadow brush. So this is a beautiful palette. So I will take one dark shade on for testing out. So this is the shade, and now oh my god, there's nothing to say. You guys can see how beautifully it blend out the eyeshadow. It work wonder, and these bristles are so soft. Now every brush of this brand comes with a description on the other side, and never have to bother about anything. You can only turn around and check out what brush actually they are. So hope this video is helpful to all, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and check out the details in the description box. So till then, bye bye.